Hey everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to remove a deep scratch in clear coat. We're going to do this on the 99 Escalade, so let's get busy. Okay, so what you're looking at here is a pretty hefty scrape on the back of this Escalade, and I'm going to make an attempt, an old school attempt, to get rid of it. And what I'm using is number 7 rubbing compound and a very abrasive towel. No buffer, no nothing. Just gonna hit it by hand, see how much of it comes off, if any, because it is deep in there. But I don't know if it's all the way through. So this is rubbing compound, not polishing compound, not car wax, rubbing compound. So it will need to be waxed after I take this. Oh, looks like it's coming off. Let's see. So you don't do that. You don't leave it on until it dries. It's not car wax. You don't have to do that. I got that. I still got a spot there. Looks like it's gonna work though. You'd be amazed at the type of scrapes and scratches you can get out. If they haven't gone down through the paint and primer, this will do it pretty quick. Look at that. Get it out. All right, so listen to you. Next thing I got to do, of course, is apply some wax on top of it, because this took any wax off. So there you go. Number 7 rubbing compound. Been around for ages. One of my first cars, the whole paint job looked like hell, and I tried waxing it several times. I couldn't get it to look good. This took care of it. Last step is, and you don't want to forget this, put some car wax on it. I like this stuff, Tech Wax, and everybody's got their own favorite, but this stuff's pretty easy to apply, and it's interesting. It actually smells good. It smells like car wax, I guess. It just has its own unique smell. I can't tell what it smells like, but it's actually quite pleasant, especially when you do an entire car with it for a few days, that you can smell it on the car. All right, this stuff you do let dry, and that's it. 2 easy steps to getting rid of a pretty awful scrape. Oh, Annabelle. This is the neighbor's cat, Annabelle. When she sees me outside, if she's gotten out of the house, she's relentless. She won't leave me alone. I gotta go finish. Alright, let's take the wax off. I don't know how much of this you can actually see on black paint. But good. You can still see where it pushed in, whatever it was, but other than that, it looks great. Looks great, right, Annabelle? I know. I know. You're a good girl. All right, that's it. take care of a, geez, I'm trying to walk. Take care of a pretty hefty scrape on your car with number 7 rubbing compound and some car wax. If you've got a scrape like that on your car, don't be intimidated. Just go out, get busy. All right, take care.